This lecture we will see about hiding and unhiding any element that you want. So as you can see here that we have this plan, and here you can see that we have bunch of different objects. So let's say, as you can see, that we have doors and we have windows, we have some furnitures, we have beds, and we have some objects as well. So if you want to hide something, that in that case, let's say you want to hide this door, in that case you just simply need to select on that one, right click from here, hide in view. So you can just simply hide this one by just clicking on element, and you can see that we have hidden this. And like that you can do, and if you take your mouse cursor to this region, you won't find any door here. It's not because there is no door, it's because of the fact that you have just hidden that door. Okay, the door is hidden. So like that you can just simply go to any of these, and from there you can hide or unhide any view you want. So let me show you another example. So with the help of that option, what I can do is I can hide any of the objects. So for example, let's say I can just simply control, I can do the multiple selection for this. So I can just simply select control and select this one, control and select this one, and then control and select this one. And after that I can just simply right click from here, and then I can again go to here and then click on element. So just because of the fact that we have selected all of these three doors, and by choosing that element option, it will hide all of these doors. So now let's say you want to hide all the doors in one go. In that case, all you need is just to simply select any of the door, right click here, okay, hide in view, and then choose the category. So what it will do it will hide all the doors in the view. Okay, the one thing is also important, if you can see that hide in view. So basically it will hide only thing which is currently present in this view. It won't hide anything which is on the another view. So like that you can hide and you can hide these things. You can also hide the door windows, you can also hide the furnitures, you can hide anything you want. Also, if you go to 3D, you can see that if you want to hide something in 3D, you can do that thing as well. Let's say I want to hide this door here. I can just simply select on that. I can right click from here, hide in view, and then I will just simply click on element, and you can see that we have the door is hidden from here. And you can see the door is also hidden just with the fact that we have hidden that thing from ground floor as well. And now what you have to do is, if you unhide the element, in that case you just need to simply go to level 2 ground floor, and here what you have to do is, you can see a small bulb here which says reveal hidden elements. You can just simply select on that, and after that you will get all the elements which are hidden. So you can do the same thing, you can just simply click on right one and then click on unhide in view. You can just simply unhide this element. Okay, just like this one, I have unhidden this. You simply right click here and then click on you can see that right now this one is not hidden, and only the line, only the magenta uh, line represents that which element is hidden. You can see that all of these doors are of magenta color, and you can see, you can just simply right click here, and then again you can go to unhide in view and then click on category, and what it will do, it will unhide all of the doors in one go. You can see you can do the same thing here as well. Just simply click on unhide and then click on element. You can just simply go here, right click here, and hide in view and element. Just like that, just the fact that we have hide these doors by using the element, so that's why we are getting only option to unhide in view by elements, as you can see. So in this way you can unhide and hide the views, and after that when you are done, you can just simply go and click on this close reveal hidden elements, and after that you will restore everything, and you can see that whatever earlier was hidden is now available. So this is the end of this lecture.